Hello friends, welcome to Essential Living Soul Food Sunday. It's been several days since I've popped up to chat, and here we are at the tail end of summer, just a few days away from fall. And I guess it's back to school time, but it's also harvest time. What are we bringing in personally, the good from the year that has just come to pass, and how do we want to prepare for the year that's to come? So as fall comes naturally with the cycle of nature, the trees drop their leaves, drop whatever you don't need and just start fresh. Leave yourself as bare boned as a tree does in the winter, just to really regenerate from within in the next months to come, so we can come into 2021 strong. So I want to give you a gift. In a few days I'll have a little sort of a travel pack of essentials. That means not just objects and natural remedies, but also attitudes, perspectives to bring into 2021, because those of us that are here chose to be here, and we're each playing our role. We all agreed upon this stage drama, so we each have the responsibility of seeing our promise through, of what we agreed, what role we agreed to play. I think we're the bridges. We're the bridges that is witnessing the decomposition of the old and building, and of course, contributing to building the new. So that means you got to get yourself strong, healthy, vibrant, and clear. So with a strong, healthy body, you have the bandwidth, the energy to really forge forward and really create with intention and power. So stay tuned. In a few days before the fall equinox, I will have a gift for you, so we can all walk through that gateway prepared for what we want and what we're creating collectively and individually in 2021. There's no more rehearsal. The game's afoot. The show's on. All right. So go into this week with the intention of clearing and building the strength to move forward. I'll give you a few tips to help. And with that said, may the long time sun shine upon you. And I'll talk to you in a few days. We'll be talking more because I'm doing this too. This is a journey I'm embarking on, so come with me. I need the companionship, I need the accountability, and I need to know that I'm not doing this by myself. Talk to you soon.